What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, my name's Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago. Welcome. If you like makeup content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and click that button down below. This week we're going to be talking about Prada Beauty. Prada Beauty has just come to the US and I'm super excited because it has been a very anticipated brand. They launched online last year, in a couple places in the UK last year as well. So I've been seeing it all over the internet, but I haven't been able to get my hands on it. And now I have a couple of the lipsticks for you to check out. They're super beautiful. The packaging is stunning. And we're gonna hop right in and tell you the difference between the two different formulas, what I think about the formula, how it wears, and talking about the Prada Beauty lipsticks. So the Prada Beauty lipsticks come in two different formulas. I absolutely love these lipsticks because the packaging, stunning. You know Prada as a design company is going to do things really beautifully. The packaging is one thing that I really love, but something cool that they did with it is they actually made their lipsticks refillable. So this is what it looks like, just like this. So this one is in the color Hyper Matte Fuco, Fuoco R28, looks just like this. So the hyper mattes are gonna have the gold rimming right here. The soft mattes, I believe, are gonna have a silver rimming right here. So there is a little bit of different packaging in the componentry, but what I was gonna show you guys is the Prada logo is gonna be right here. Really stunning, really beautiful. Comes off just like that. It is a soft magnetic closure, which we love on a luxury lipstick. These do retail for $50, so they are a little bit pricey. The Prada logo is on both sides, which we love. It slides up just like that. You do have Prada right here on that bullet, which is so stunning, so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. This is a really beautiful, vibrant matte red. I absolutely love this, but what's really cool is that these are actually refillable. So you can keep this component and set this aside, and you can actually, once you're done with this, refill it with a different color or refill it with the same color, which is kind of nice. So if you're going to be paying a $50 luxury price tag, at least you are able to refill it. And I do believe that the refills are a little bit cheaper than the purchase all over again of the lipstick. I'm not sure, check online down below, prada.com, but I'll definitely link the website below so you guys can check that out. But I definitely know that the refills are a little bit cheaper. I'm just not sure how much cheaper. But this is in the hyper matte color, like I said, in Fuco R28, really beautiful. I'll pop it on in just a second so you guys can see. Let's open up the other one that I have. This one is also in their monochrome formula. This is going to be in the soft matte formula. So we have right here the hyper matte formula. Here is going to be the soft matte formula. So the hyper matte formula is more of a rich pigmented, full luxurious matte lipstick that's more full coverage, has a really beautiful matte finish, but it's going to be really vibrant in color. The soft matte, as you can see, has the silver here. So you have the gold here, silver here. Soft matte is a really beautiful, same component, just like this. This one is in a really beautiful orange color, and this is in the name Flamingo 0771, which is so vibrant, so beautiful. I absolutely love this. I had to pick it up. So this has got a really beautiful texture on it. As you can see, the lipstick has like a rib texture, which I love. Packaging, stunning, 10 out of 10, but this is gonna be their soft matte formula. So this is more of like a cloud-like texture. So it goes on, it's a really comfortable, luxurious matte formula that lasts all day, but it's more buildable. It's a little bit more adjustable. So if you like a softer finish, you can kind of press it into the lip and it creates a very like soft powder kiss effect. And if you want more of a fuller color, then go in for a one full swipe coverage. But it is going to dry down and give you like a very like wet, soft, matte look. So I'll pop this on first so you guys can see this. So these are the two that I picked up that are full size, but I actually got gifted from Prada a couple minis. So we're going to go over those together. Let me find those in 1 second. So when I was in store, I'm picking these up. I was lucky enough to get gifted by Prada a couple other lipsticks to try. So they gifted me these really beautiful, adorable minis. As you can see right here, these are perfect for your purse or travel bag. And then they still have that really nice Prada logo at the top. They're not as luxurious as the full size, but it's a really great gift and really nice of them to give me to try at home. So The formulas they gave me are 3 different colors. They're all going to be their hyper matte formulas, so that really, really rich, luxurious, full matte coverage lipstick. This one is in a nude color. This is in the color B02. I really love this color. This is probably one of my favorites that I'm going to be wearing all the time. As you can see, it doesn't have that same Prada shape to it in the trial formula, but you do still get to experience the formula, the coverage, and how that color would look on you at home. So this is in the color B02. This is in the color P56, looks just like this. This is a really, really deep, rich indigo color. I absolutely love this like burgundy. This would be great on all skin tones, really beautiful in the fall as well. This is, like I said, their hyper matte formula. And then the last one I want to share with you guys is going to be 077. And this is in like a really beautiful terracotta, like a brick orange red. I love this color too. This would also look great on all skin tones, depending on how you'd like to wear it. Really beautiful. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these on my hand. I'm gonna try a couple of them on so we can have some fun, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for the hyper mattes, I swatched all 4 colors that I have, and these are the 4 colors. So this is the B02, this is that red color that I just showed you guys, and P56. This one right here is that really beautiful like chicory color, and this is in the color, let me see, 077, and then this is the first matte one, the red that I showed you here, the one that I really love and I picked up in the store, and this is in R28. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop one of these on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this one right here so you guys can see how beautiful and velvety and matte this is, so you can see this hyper matte formula in action. Okay, so this is B02, I believe. Yes, B02 in the hyper matte formula. So what I want to show you guys up close is you can see how smooth these actually make the lip. They do have a blurring technology to them. Very beautiful, very smooth. They are weightless on the lip. You're not going to feel any coverage when you're wearing it throughout the day. It is very creamy. It's not drying like a super really dry matte. It is very nice, very weightless, very comfortable. The color, like I said, is very full pigment. This is in the hyper matte formula, so this is going to be that full luxurious matte wearing all day. I love this color, really beautiful. It's like a warm peachy nude. It looks great. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this color. Leave a comment down below what your favorite color is from the collection I've showed you guys. I think these lipsticks are really beautiful. I'm gonna wipe this off and then try on the soft matte for you guys so we can talk a little bit about the difference. Okay, so this is the soft matte formula in the color Flamingo. I really love this one. This is a really beautiful, vibrant orange color. What I noticed right away from using the soft matte lipsticks, what you can see too, is that if I get a little bit closer, I actually have a freckle on my lip right here. With this coverage, because it's more of an adjustable, buildable finish, you can see that freckle through the lipstick. So it is more of a sheer finish, but it does give you that really nice, soft, comfortable matte finish. Still weightless formula, really beautiful, but there is a little bit more translucency to it. So the color is there, but it does have like more of that powdery finish that we saw from Korea a couple years ago. That really soft, like powdery lipstick where people were like pressing in their lipsticks into the lip and kind of blotting it, or like using it on their finger and kind of like stamping and rubbing in. This is kind of that same effect with the lipstick, but you don't need as much. You just literally press it into the lip. It literally melts into the lip really comfortably. It's giving you that really nice color. It's sheer, but still there. As you can see, not a ton of transfer, so it's a really beautiful formula. I absolutely love what Prada is doing. I really like these lipsticks. If you're a lipstick lover or a lippy lover, definitely pick up a couple colors and leave me a comment down below what colors you picked up. So this is this week's Makeup Artist Monday video. Like I said, my full face is Prada makeup today, except the bronzer, but I love the line. I'm super excited that it's come to the US. It has popped up in Sephora's. I've also seen it in Nordstrom as well, and I can't wait to check out more products from the line. I've also seen a couple of makeup artists use the eyeshadows, and I've heard that those are really beautiful. there's like this silver green chartreuse color quad that I've been seeing that I want to pick up, that I have my eye on in the Sephora sale. So I'm waiting a couple days so I can pick that up. So all right guys, thank you so much for watching this Makeup Artist Monday. I had so much fun trying on these new lippies with you guys. These are beautiful formulas. If you're gonna pick up any of the new lip colors, leave me a comment down below which one you're gonna get, and I'll talk to you guys next Makeup Artist Monday. All right, bye.